This is part of a short series I'm doing called Things Owners Put Off, quiet issues that compound over time. Today, I want to talk about something that usually feels like a growth issue, but often runs deeper than that. A lot of business owners tell me they feel stuck. The business is working and customers are buying, revenue's coming in, but growth feels fragile. If demand dips, things tighten quickly. If costs rise, margins feel exposed. And there's a quiet sense that everything depends on one main stream of income. Most of the time, this isn't because the business lacks opportunity. It's not that customers wouldn't buy more, and it's not even the market's tapped out. It's that the business only knows how to make one money in one primary way. So when the pressure shows up, there's nowhere else for the business to lean or go. Most businesses build revenue around what worked early, a core service or a primary product, a familiar transaction. And over time, that becomes the default, not because it's the only option, but it's because it's the one everyone understands. And as a business grows, complexity increases, customers' needs change, cost shifts, but the way money comes in often stays the same. And this is where the tension builds really quietly. Pricing decisions feel heavy, discounts feel more dangerous, capacity limits start to show up, and the business becomes more sensitive to small changes because everything flows through the same narrow channel. Revenue still arrives and resilient doesn't. And over time, growth starts to feel like a risk instead of progress. Now, there's many ways a business can create revenue. Not all of them show up as obvious products or services. And when a business hasn't taken the time to really understand the difference in the way it creates value, it ends up depending too heavily on one stream. That dependence doesn't cause failure overnight, it just reduces flexibility. And that lack of flexibility compounds quietly over time. So here's a question I want to leave with you. If your primary source of revenue became less reliable, how many other ways does your business have to support itself? That's one of those issues that doesn't usually demand attention, but it keeps showing up until it's addressed. And for now, I'll leave that there.